Hey, aloha everyone. I'm Rick Kirkham of InHomeComputerHelp.com right here in Honolulu, Hawaii. And I want to show you an operating system today called Ubuntu, which will replace your Windows operating system, especially with an old computer. And most people are nervous about something that they don't understand and don't see. So I wanted to show it to you. And here we go. I'm going to go ahead and minimize this screen. And this is Ubuntu right here. I chose Ubuntu, Ubuntu Lite, because it looks more like Windows, which is what people are used to. So if I go here, I have that your little program menu that you're used to seeing in Windows. And all of these things here come built in with Lubuntu. There's nothing to install. It even comes with a built-in Microsoft Office compatible Office suite. So same thing. You can do PowerPoint-like presentations, Word documents, all kinds of things like that. No need to hunt around for the software to install. It's already built in for you. On the internet, I personally installed Chromium, which is the open source version of Google Chrome for Linux. Linux is what Lubuntu is based off of. And obviously, I also installed FileZilla, which I use to upload files to my websites. It comes with Firefox if you're already used to using that. And it's got everything that you already need. Now, the really cool thing too is if there is additional software that you need, you don't have to go hunting around the internet for it. Let me see if I can find it here. System tools. There we are. Software. So when I click on software, this thing opens up and I'm able to search for software that's already made for Lubuntu without me having to go online and searching for everything. So that's really cool in and of itself. And to shut it down, and I hope I don't lose my video when I do this, lower right hand side will do that for you. So you just click on, left mouse click on that. That's the little power symbol. And there you are. Shut down, reboot. Reboot means restart. That's an old way of saying reboot. Whenever possible, I try to suspend instead because that's easier on any computer. The hardest thing on any computer is to turn it on. In fact, that's the hardest thing on any electronic device. So let's go ahead and close that. And the really cool thing here too is this is also virus free. I mean, this is like Apple was, 10 years ago before it became popular, and then the hackers started looking at Apple to have viruses as well too. So this is actually Ubuntu, and this is the Lubuntu version. But Ubuntu is the third most popular operating system in the world. But since Windows takes about 90% of the computers out there in the world, you can imagine Lubuntu takes such a low percentage of that you barely even scratches the surface, and it doesn't have the attention of hackers at all. So that's about it. So feel free to contact me if you're here on Oahu. Let's see if I can get my website up here. Feel free to contact me if you're here on Oahu and have me install Ubuntu for you on any old computers that you might have. I'll be happy to do that. And if you're not on Oahu, I actually have a healthy eKit flash drive that has Lubuntu built into it with nice, easy instructions so that you can install that yourself. And if you want that, you're welcome to text me. Area code is 808, but do not call me. There's too much of a time difference here on Oahu and the mainland. And this is for mainland and Hawaii only, by the way. Alaska, of course, too. But that's about it. I wanted you guys to see this, and so that you wouldn't be afraid of it, and you can take your old computers and give them new life. Now, the reason for this is this only requires half a gigabyte of RAM to work. Now, when I had Ubuntu in here, I had Windows in here originally. It was kind of slow with 4 gigabytes of RAM. Then I installed Ubuntu, and it was faster. That was nice. And then I installed Lubuntu, and it was just boom. And that's with just 4 gig of RAM, which is the minimum that I suggest for my in-home and on-site computer clients, in order to not get too bogged down with doing stuff online and stuff and having things really slow. So once again, think about this, Lubuntu, and get a hold of me if you would like this flash drive with the nice, easy instructions to install. I am a computer tutor and a dual certified teacher. What that means is I don't just know, I know how to teach. So when I did this instruction manual, I did it in such a way that end users that don't know a whole lot about computers would be able to install this and read the instructions nice and easy in plain English. So that's it. Hope you enjoy Lubuntu, and don't throw away those old computers. Let's use Lubuntu instead. So aloha, and God bless you.